Lesson 69 is about absolute value. Now, the absolute value is the distance between 0 and any number. So, these two lines here is what we call absolute value, and the absolute value of -5 is 5. Why? Because if I count the distance between 0 and -5, the distance is 5. Distance is always a positive number, so the absolute value is always going to be positive. Notice that the absolute value of 5 is also 5 because we have the same distance if we go to the left or if we go to the right. The second part of the lesson is about adding signed numbers. And positive numbers are to the right of 0. But then we also have the negative numbers that are to the left of 0. Now, if we have something like this, for example, 5 plus -2, what this is saying is start on 0 and then go all the way to 5. That's where we start, in 5. And then from 5, we're going to go back, or we're going to go to left. So 1, 2. Where did we finish? We finished in 3. Let's look at another example. What if we have 3 plus -7? Well, we're going to start in 3 because we went from 0 to 3. And then we're going to go back 7 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is -4. Notice that we have to pass as many positives as there are to get to 0. And then whatever is left, we continue in the negative part. Now, what if we start in the negative? What if I start in -6? And then I have to add 8. So in this case, we're going to start in -6. And now we're going to move 8 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which were the negatives. But we have 2 extra that are positives. And so we're going to end up in 2. Notice that in a way, the positives and the negatives cancel. Let's look at it, for example, if we had it like this. If I have 6 tokens that are negatives, and I have 8 tokens that are positive, so these 2 cancel with these 2, and these 2 cancel with these 2, and these 2 cancel with these 2. Notice that I end up with 2 positive, which is what we got for our answer. And that's it. That's the lesson. A very, very simple lesson. Try to imagine this when you are adding signed numbers.